is a swelling stone, and I'm caught up in the middle of it all. And it takes control of the person that I thought I was, the boy I used to know. There is a light in the dark, and I feel it's warm in my hands and my heart. But why can't I hold on? 'Cause it comes and goes in waves. It always does. It always does. And the freedom of falling, and the feeling I thought was set in stone, it slips through my fingers. It seems so hard to find. Is it ever coming back again? Is it ever coming back again? And take me back to the feeling when everything was left to find. 'Cause it comes and goes in waves. It always does.
Ja niin vuoroviimeisen tekniikkaa oli tekemässä Hertain Juurman studiototteja Tanssukoululla.